What's going on, guys? Right now, crazy Apex flash sale for the month of May. Apex flash sale. If you're seeing this video, that means it's active right now and you need to go hop on this right away. All right, so what is the sale? The flash sale. This is crazy, y'all. Not only is it the 90% off sale off of all evaluation account sizes. That's, I know what you want. Apex heard you. They said, hey, we hear you guys. We know y'all want 90% off. We haven't done it in a while. We pulled it back for a while. So here it is, 90% off all evaluation sizes. Awesome. That's not it, though. Check this out. You can see right here, this little flyer. All right. So in addition to the 90% off sale, the $250,000 evaluation size, that account size is the same price as the 50K accounts. Okay, so what does that mean? You get that for the same price as the 50K account and 90% off of that. So essentially, a Rhythmic account will cost you just under $17 for the evaluation for a 250K evaluation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Apex thought it, and a lot of people like lifetime fees, right? You like the lifetime funded account fee, or option, I should say. So the monthly option, as you know, for the PA accounts is $85 a month. So Apex went ahead and said, guess what? For this sale, for the $250,000 account only, we're going to go ahead and offer you an $85 lifetime fee for the PA. That's insane. I'm so excited. I'm jumping on this myself. So, and I've never had 250K accounts. I've done the 150s, the 300s, the 50s. I've never had a 250K account. The logic behind this is they see a lot of people, there's a lot of different trading strategies, right? So the most popular account is the 50K account. But what you have a $2,500 drawdown, right? So the $2,500 drawdown, if you've watched any of my videos, follow me or anything, or talk to me, you know I preach trade small, right? You don't want to blow that account with just a few trades. So you have to trade small depending on your account size. So a 50K account, there's no way you should be trading the same amount of contracts as you would on a $250,000 account, right? So you have a much larger drawdown. So if you're the type of trader that you like to hold trades, you like to do different trading styles where you're going for more than just, 10 ticks, well, you may need a larger drawdown. If you don't want to trade a micro or 2 micros, then maybe you should get a larger account. That's the logic behind this, right? You have a larger drawdown. You shouldn't blow your account. Think about it, guys. Think about it. This Apex is setting you up for long-term success. I know it's easy to just grab accounts, YOLO these bad boys, try to get paid. But look at what's happening. They want consistent traders. And they're showing you that with their actions. Okay? So what does this do for you? This is telling you, hey, I have more drawdown, I have a larger account size, and they're giving you the lifetime, not a monthly recurring PA fee, a lifetime fee that's the same cost as the monthly fee. They're incentivizing you to go and get a larger account, pay the lifetime fee, take your time, trade right, trade well, and do it the right way, right? Build this up. This is not a lottery ticket. This is not the lotto. This isn't going to the corner store, If you're in Texas with the Texas Powerball or whatever that is, it's not. It is not for that. Okay, they want consistent. How do you expect them to ever think about it? Remember, in the background, what are they doing? They're not just, no matter what people say or on these discords or, what competitors say, Apex is not just giving people PAs, PAs. There are people going to live accounts. And not only are people just going to live accounts, the people that are not in live accounts, but they are consistent traders, right? They might not be making a killing, but guess what? Apex, and they openly say this, copies those people's trades. So do you think, even if you're not in a live account, do you think they want to copy your trades? If you don't think that, then if you can't say, man, Apex should copy my trades, then you're probably not doing it the way they are setting this up. Not trying to tell you how to trade, but if you follow me, if you're watching this video, you know my mindset on this stuff, right? So you know my thinking. We're here for the long term. Guys. All right. So anyways, my little rant's over. I just wanted to bring you this sell that Apex has brought to us. Man, thank you, Apex. I'm jumping on this myself. Hey, let's get it. Let's get these accounts. Let's get these lifetime PAs for the 250K accounts. Show me that, let's do this together. Use code WIN90. Okay, that'll get you your discount. Let's do this together. Let's get them funded together. And let's get paid together. All right. So as always, I'll catch you on the next one, and trade well, everybody. Take care.